In today's video, I'll show you how to connect HubSpot to Calendly step by step. This integration helps you automatically sync meetings, capture leads, and update contact records inside HubSpot whenever someone books a meeting with you. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, open the Integrations or App Marketplace section from the left-hand menu. Now search for HubSpot in the integration list. Click on HubSpot and select Connect. You will be redirected to the HubSpot login page. Sign into your account and allow Calendly to access your CRM data. Next, confirm the permissions so Calendly can create and update contacts, deals, and meeting records. Once the connection is complete, return to your Calendly dashboard. Now go to Event Types and select the event you want to sync with HubSpot, such as a discovery call or consultation. Open the event settings and look for the Integrations or CRM section here. Here you can enable HubSpot syncing for that specific event type. Choose what data you want to send, such as name, email, phone number, event type, meeting date, and time. Now map the fields so Calendly data matches the correct HubSpot properties. You can also choose whether Calendly should create a new contact, update an existing contact, create a deal or task. Once everything is configured, click Save or Activate. Now, every time someone books a meeting through Calendly, their information will automatically appear inside HubSpot. Before finishing, test the integration by booking a sample event and checking if the contact and meeting are correctly logged in HubSpot. And that's it. You've successfully connected HubSpot to Calendly and automated your CRM workflow. And that's how you connect HubSpot to Calendly.